Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the gated community of Orange Bay Country Club, Hanover. This unit has been tastefully updated with a Mediterranean influence and boasts spacious airy living spaces with large bedrooms, all boasting ensuite bathrooms. An added bonus is that this is a corner lot and is quite close to the swimming pool. Negril is just 10 minutes away should you desire a day at the beach. This house can be a one-family residence or easily be converted to a duplex with its own entrance and kitchen to generate investment income. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 255,000 or Jamaican $39.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.